So you wanna get faster at cubing but practicing at home is not enough for you? Then just go practice at school. Simple as that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Just kidding guys, it's not that simple. Here's how to practice cubing at school and actually get fast. So let's get right into it. First, what you need.
Your phone for scramble generator and the timer. And most importantly, your cube.
But the real question is what should you practice? F2L, OLO, PLO, cross, CBL, or something else? That's a great question. First, what you should avoid. There are F2L, look ahead, planning things in inspection, and basically anything that you need lots of focus to focus on. Just imagine how those non-cubers yelling the 6-7 meme ruins your focus faster than how fast Yiheng Wang solves the 2x2. But there are okay practice drills to do at school. For example, training algorithms, drilling algorithms, and regular solves, which I can say that you can do it as well as at home. But we're not here just to practice as well as at home. We're here to use our time the best way we can. What's that best way, you ask? Competition simulation. First, you set up your cube, and then let someone else give you a scramble, and then solve like it's an official attempt. If you get +2s or DNFs, count them. But why school? You can just do comp sims at home, right? No, because school has huge crowds, background noise, and people moving around, which kinda gives you those competition nerves. Unlike at home where you feel chill and safe. But the most important reason? Friends. So one of them can be the judge, and the rest can be the audience. Even your non-cuber friends can be the audience. So yeah, comp sims is the best way to practice cubing at school. Just give it a try tomorrow, or you'll regret it. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching till the end, and peace out.